Can I get a year?
I'm the festival Finesser.
Hello, Finesse gang. Welcome to the Fright Night Massive vlog, the first ever, might I add. It is 2 o'clock. We are in South Jersey at our first rest stop. I'm out here with Big Silver, Hefe in the front, and Bree's also here, which is why we're stopped. She's in the bathroom somewhere over there. But we are about halfway through our drive. It's a 3-hour drive to the hotel. We're gonna be going in for Al Ross and Bomber, and then we get Dubloadz today, Feed Me, and then Alice in Wonderland Set the Sky. So we will see you guys there, and yeah, we'll see you guys at the hotel actually. So here comes a time lapse of the rest of the ride. Guys, 3:50, we have arrived, and now it's time to get drunk and then go to Al Ross and Bomber. They play at 4:30. It's now 4 o'clock, so we're racing the clock to get into our room and then change real quick, get situated. So we'll see you guys when we hit the road again. All right guys, 4:30, we are making our way to the first ever Fright Night Massive in Baltimore, Maryland, at Point Covington, Baltimore, Maryland. So we will see you guys in about 13 minutes. All right, guys, 5 o'clock. We're out here in the parking lot. I got my homies with me, Mike Wazowski, Sullivan, not King, just Sully, and my homie Deadpool, and no costume Chris Silver. So yeah, we're here. We're about to get inside. We're a little bit late for Al Ross and Bomber, but I think we will catch them for the end. And then I don't know who plays after them, but we'll see you guys inside. All right, guys, 5:16. We're out here at the box office. I have my photo ticket. Now we gotta get one for this person. All right, guys, 5:24. We're in here for Al Ross back-to-back Bomber. right, guys, I fuck with this. I fuck with the grass. I fuck with the oceanfront view. I'm about it. Where are my friends, though? There's one, my favorite.
Alright, my name is Dubloadz. You guys want to hear some weird, funky shit right now?
6:30, Dubloadz, let's get it, reppin' Jersey. Michael.
Yes, it is.
Yo, yes, fuck yeah, dude. Oh my god. What up, bro?
Not a whole lot. How's life, dude?
Good, yeah. I'm happy to see you, bro. I love you. I feel it's always, you know, it's always good to see you, bro. I fuck with you, yo.
Hey, good to see you again.
How are you?
Good, good. Yo.
Alright guys, and unfortunately that wraps up the day one vlog because I forgot my batteries and I suck. So we're going back today. Make sure you watch part 2. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and sorry for the abrupt end, but we saw the dubstep. We got Dubloadz. We got, who else did we see, Bree?
Brondo.
And Al Ross back-to-back Bommer.
A little bit of
And
that.
once we saw Feed Me, it got a little housey, and we were like, all right, we're gonna go chill. And that's when I realized that my batteries were all dead. So I have 3 fully charged batteries today for day 2, so we're about to get it. So make sure you guys watch the day 2 vlog. We're about to get that vlog started right now.
Can I get a year?